I'm pleased to welcome you to my part 2 of the styling. Guys, today we are going to do braid twist. And the braid twist, guys, is gonna consist of a spiky ponytail with an infinity braid wrap. So welcome, guys, and consider subscribing, like my work, comment, and share to your friends. We're going to begin at this far end. Pick your first strand, pick the second one. Guys, remember we promised to be stylish. Pick your third strand, lay it down that way. Your fourth strand, remember guys to stay loose that way. Just overlap the strands. Let's do the first section all together, guys, then I'll elaborate further on my second section that way. Be considerate of the spacing leaving behind so that we can beautify our braid twist that way. Pick your strands, let them come under the braid formation that way. Remember guys not to apply tension while doing the styling that way. Let's quickly maneuver around. This is a quick style, guys, for our beginners, and it's a nice style that can suit men. So we are just on the right track. Upon reaching this part, pick one of the strands and secure your section at this end. So secure it at this end loosely, guys. Just secure your section loosely that way. Let's pick the second section, and just to elaborate further on what we have just done, remember guys, this is braid twist, and what beautifies the braid twist is the interlocking part, how the strands are coming over each other, creating that crisscross pattern. You can have a look, guys. My strands are forming that crisscross pattern that way. You can have a look, guys. That's what brings the beautiness about the braid twist. Now, secondly, you need to adhere to the spacing. Now, the spacing, guys, brings that rhythm in your styling. Let's do the second section. So my second section, guys, gonna begin at this far end. So let's begin. Pick your braid twist line that way. Incorporate your lock strands. Incorporate lock strands as you move backwards. That way, guys. Just be mindful of the spacing whenever you are doing your braid twist lines. It's a quick style, guys, and it's amazing style that you can do to your male clients. You just need to chip in creativity to bring that touch of style. That way, guys, consider doing some beautiful spacings as well as bringing out that crisscross pattern all the way to this part. Now we will be doing our ponytail at this end. Let's secure the braid line, guys, at this end that way. We have done 2 sections. Let's do the third one all together as usual. I'm going to begin at this far end. Make sure you overlap your lock strands in a certain pattern. creating that crisscross pattern, which now gives our style a touch of uniqueness. That way, it's very simple, guys, for our beginners. All the way to this area where we are going to create our ponytail. Just pick one of the strands and loosely secure your braid twist at that point. That way. Like my work, comment, share to your friends, and consider subscribing. So let's use some of the strands to make an infinity braid, which now we are going to wrap around to beautify our look. And I'm just going to walk you through the styling process. Don't be worried of what infinity is. Pick a good number of strands. Make sure you subdivide such portion into 3 sections. Guys, I will be doing a 3-sectioned infinity braid. So let's begin. Pick the first strand, wrap it around under the first section, then over the second section, then under the third section. That way, guys, repeat the same process from the left side. Remember, we have just done it from the right side. Repeat it all the way until the strand gets finished. Now, just to tip you guys, infinity braid, it's usually made of a finger eight shape. So whenever you pick a strand, wrap it around in a finger eight manner until such strand's length gets finished. That way. Then pick another strand, reinforce it while wrapping around. Guys, we have many tutorials as pertains to infinity braids. You can visit my channel, guys, for such tutorials. So pick additional strands where the tip appears to diminish and continue wrapping your strands around. Whenever the strand ends at certain point, pick additional strand at such point, reinforce and secure the ending tip, then continue wrapping around as usual. So just to reiterate on what we have just said, we are just trying to come up with an intricate style, and by doing so, guys, right now I'm trying to make an infinity braid, which we are going to use to wrap around our ponytail, just to give our ponytail that distinguished look. That way, guys, wrap it around in a finger eight shape all the way back. Guys, we are doing a 3-sectioned infinity braid. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, like my work, comment positively, guys, and share to your friends. This becomes our infinity braid. Now we are going to do a wrap. So remember, guys, we were to come up with a spiky ponytail, which consists of infinity braid wrap, just to add flavor as well as giving our ponytail that touch of distinctive look. So let's wrap the infinity braid around, guys. Just pick your infinity braid and wrap it around all the way to the back. Then tuck in your ending tip. That way. Let's secure. This is our finishing look. Now have a look, guys. Our ponytail is spiky, and now this gives that taste of men in styling. We have as well, guys, did this infinity braid, which we have just wrapped around the ponytail, just want flavor on our styling. And you can have a look at the stylish barrette twist lines. Guys, this is truly amazing. This is wonderful. This is an artistic look that you can do to your male clients. I want to urge you guys to try out this one. This is truly captivating style that can be worn by men who like flaunting fashions. And it's wow. Alright, thank you guys for staying locked on the channel. I hope my tutorial was quick and easy to learn. Guys, I will be bringing more tutorials. Consider subscribing, like my work, comment, and share to your friends. Thank you.